guys, as I promised, here's another video about hammers. Hope you don't mind the pajamas. Just trying to stay warm out here. Alright, so this is the current hammer that I use. It's a Klein. It's not that heavy. I did have a different Klein one. It had a longer nose and I think the claw was a little bit straighter, but it was too long. Basically, when you're trying to knock out things, knock out holes in the TGIs, like for two-story houses and stuff, they look like little eyes, the letter I. You knock out the holes in the center. The shorter one is definitely more helpful. Usually you can knock them out either with the front of the hammer or the back of the hammer. Usually the back of the hammer works better. But this is the current hammer that I use. This is my old hammer that I was using for like several years. Probably like 3 years, but you do not really want one of these that are super like crooked. Straighter is better for pulling out nails and for knocking out holes in the TGIs. But as you can see, this one is mine. That one was never really mine, but these are all my dad's or whatever. But I just want to go over some different styles of hammers. Here's a little baby one. Some of them have really short handles, some of them have like 2-3 foot handles, but if you go like to Home Depot or whatever, you'll literally see like 30 different types of hammers, ranging from sheetrock hammers to whatever types of hammers are there, construction hammers or whatever. I don't know if they really have electrical hammers, but here's a ton of different styles. Some of them are wood, some of them are plastic. Some of them, I think this is kind of like fiberglass stuff, but yeah, wood handles, plastic handles, metal handles. So really just pick one that fits you, something that's comfortable with you, not too heavy, but really just your preference. But try to get, for electrical, try to get one with a straight claw. Like this one's pretty straight, so this one would be pretty good, but this one's kind of like really light, or feels pretty flimsy, like really thin plastic. So I don't know, this is definitely my favorite one. Like I said, I did have the Klein one that was longer, but it was just too clunky and got in the way. So this one's a lot more easier to use. Basically I just bought this one for the straight claw and to knock out the holes in the TGIs. I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot, so yeah, this one is probably like $20 to $35, but you can definitely go to Home Depot and get something cheaper if you're on a tight budget. But definitely invest in something good if that's what you're looking into. So if you want to, I can go over different uses I use my hammer for, but I don't want to make 3 videos on my hammer in one day. So if that's something you guys want, let me know. I'll bring the hammer again home one day, or just do a different video at work or whatever after work. Uses for the hammer, so let me know if you guys want to see something about that. But yeah, so hopefully this helps you guys out, or at least the person that I was asking the question. So this is the one that I use, and as you can see, it's all beat up and stuff. Getting my money's worth. So yeah, so the only thing I was really worried about was I was wondering if I hit this, if it was gonna like be like fiberglass and really like I don't know the word, but really could hurt you or whatever. I don't know if it was gonna like splinter off or whatever. And but it looks like it's been going pretty good. I've hit it several times, but it's kind of like a, I don't know, like a resin sort of. So anyways, hopefully this helps you guys out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I appreciate it. See you guys later. Alright, so I got a couple questions, 2 or 3 questions asking how I almost died over the weekend. I'm trying not to say that too loud. So what happened was, I was out going to the cheese factory in Tillamook, on the way back, driving with my friends. There was like 6 of us. So what happened was, we're all in a line, and then they went around some cars, and then I got stuck behind like, I don't know, like 5 or 6 cars or something. So they were all ahead of me. There was no phone signal or whatever. Didn't have any maps, so I was trying to catch up to them. So basically what happened was I was passing like 5 cars at once on a no pass zone. I mean, I would never do that. And then there was this car coming in front of me while I was in the opposite side of the lane, and I was going probably 2-3 times the speed limit. So that's what happened, but I cleared it and I'm still here. So that's what happened. And then I caught up to them. I had to pass like 15 cars to catch up to them. I don't know where all these cars came from, but anyways, it all worked out, and I found them and caught up. So that's how I almost died. So anyways, so good times, had a great weekend. Went to the cheese factory, and then Saturday was basically out all day. Went to church, and then went to a friend's house for lunch, and then after that went for a walk, and then went to another friend's for a game night. So it was just really fun, really good weekend. And yeah, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, I posted some electrical pictures from Tillamook, which has surprisingly gotten like 80 likes, which is like, I usually get like maybe 15 likes on my electrical account, but I posted some electrical pictures of some really nice work there, and then posted some Corvette pictures of all the cars that we went cruising with on Tillamook. So if you check out my Corvette page, there'll be some pictures on that. So if you want to check those out, go for it. If not, that's cool. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day and night. Thank you guys so much for the views. 154 views in like 5 hours, so that's awesome. I appreciate it. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for engaging in the comments. See you guys later. See you tomorrow.